morning, dear students. Today's topic is Princess September. Introduction. This is an interesting story that talks about the love and bond of humans and birds. Freedom is the basic right of every individual. No one should take it away for his own greed. Doing good always pays back in the manifold. The princess was a good human being. Her essential goodness was reflected in her behavior with the bird. She believed in live and let live. In contrast to her, her sisters did evil and received the evil fate in return. Summary of Part 2. Insecure, Princess September felt that something might happen to him. She was worried that hawks or someone might have trapped him. All she wanted was his safety. Then appeared the bird and started chirping in her ears. She grew angry. The bird told her that he would not have replied as his father-in-law was giving a party. He wanted him to attend the party, but he knew that she would be worried, so he returned. September was not willing to take any chance further. She decided to cage him and she put him in the cage. The bird was shocked at the sudden reaction of her. The reason she gave was that the queen's cat might harm him. The bird agreed to it, but for once only. He wanted to sing after supper, but could not continue as he did not feel like. The next morning he wanted to be free. His desperation grew. He beat against the door and shouted, but all his efforts went in vain. Rather, 8 princesses were delighted to see him in pain. On the request to set him free, September replied that she knew what's better of him. She wanted him to sing for her and offered him a piece of sugar. He could not sing inside the cage. He wanted to see the trees, the lake, and willow trees all by himself. He was not willing to see through the cage. He gave up eating and singing. Then anxious princess turned to her sisters for their opinion. They called him obstinate and wanted her to conform to her stand. September agreed to their suggestion and felt the same way. She assumed that he might be accustomed to bars of the cage. The next morning she wished the bird but got no answer. She was shocked to see that the bird was lying unmoved in the cage. She took him out of the cage and started crying. When her tears fell on him, he looked up. He pleaded that he could not sing inside the cage, and if he could not sing, he would die. She freed him then and there. He promised her that he would return to her. She sobbed and was feeling lonely. Her sisters mocked at her, but he returned to her and sang beautiful songs for her. She kept her windows open to let him go or come whenever he felt like. She grew beautiful and got married to the king of Cambodia and was carried on a white elephant. Her sisters were married to the counselor only as they were not as beautiful. Thank you.